Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech Master Video. Today I'm gonna show you a review to all Apple iPad here. Okay, so amazing iPad I'm using already. I've been using for 1 year actually. This iPad is amazing. Okay, this iPad specification is you'll get 8 megapixel camera, 2 GB RAM and 7340 mAh battery, lipo battery. Okay, so network technology, you'll get lite 4G. Okay, so body dimension is nice, SIM nano SIM, display 9-inch 9.7 inches. Okay, and memory already I've told you, 16 GB internal memory you'll get free, and main camera is 8 megapixel. Okay, and features HDR you'll get it, and video 1080p in main camera, 30 fps. Okay, and HDR with HDR, so stereo sound recording. Selfie camera is 1.2 megapixel and video 7.20 at 30 fps. Okay, so this is the iPad. Amazing.
Action.
Okay, so as you can see, about iPad here, iPad model number, song, videos, capacity 13 GB, available GB. Okay, get license here, software. Okay, camera, let's see the camera. Not bad actually. This is photo camera. Just click. This is camera. Not bad. The videos, HDR mode on. Nice one. See? Okay. Video. Hello. Not bad. Let's check. It's really clear. Okay, HD type quality. iPad is the best, for using for gaming, and you also play game here. Lots of kind of game you can also play. Cricket game, lot more. PUBG also. Let's play the game. Let's see. Very nice. Then also the sound increase decrease options. Headphone options. Nice. Charging port and speakers are here. 2 speakers. Okay. It's a nice metallic body. Plastic body actually. Silver color. Nice. iPad. So let's play the game. Wow. Oh, Rule 6. Oh my god. What a display, yeah. It's moving so speedily. Okay. Nice, actually, not bad. For gaming, for sound, high quality graphics, sound. Okay. Really nice, actually. Okay. So you can also choose the options that you wanna use. iPad is the best for the children's and for gaming, making videos, and many more. TV. Also, we can use YouTubing from here. Okay. So very nice. Get the options, YouTubing options. Nice loading. HD quality. Very nice. So thanks for watching iPad Air. Yeah, I'm reviewing right now this. Okay, already I have reviewed this. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you wanna buy this, if you wanna need any kind of question to ask me, then you can knock me in the description box. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Peace.